Hey loves, welcome back to another Hey loves, welcome back. In case it's your first time here, welcome to the Girlnextdoor channel. I am Weri Munguma. So today I'm going to show you how to DIY macrame feathers, and this is the second episode of the playlist that you can do with Yan here in Girlnextdoor. So I don't know about you, but I love a DIY that I can actually do while watching my favorite series, and this is one of them. So I'm pretty sure you're going to love this. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post brand new home decor and DIY videos every single week here in Girlnextdoor. And that's about it, so let's get into the video. What you need is a ball of yarn to your liking, a pair of scissors, and a tape measure or a ruler. Start by measuring the center strand. I chose mine to be 21 inches and then cut it. I found that 12 inches was too long for the leaf, as you'll get to see later on in the video, but the steps are pretty much the same. Fold the short strands into two, then lay one short strand under the center strand. Fold a second short strand into two, then lay it above the center strand, then crisscross them to make a knot. When you're crisscrossing the strands, make sure you start from one direction. So let's say your left hand side will be for the strands under, and your right hand side will be for the strands above the center strand. Then repeat that whole process throughout the whole length of the leaf. When you reach a desired length, 4.5 inches to be precise, as you'll see later on in the video, pull the short strands in opposite directions so as to tighten the knots. At this point, I realized the short strands were too long, as this is how it looked while on the wall, and you want it to be firm and aesthetically appealing, so I had to give it a haircut. This is how the end result should look like, so use a wig's hairbrush to disentangle the yarn.